Alright, so I thought up of a cool new thing. So, what if in the future, like, there are robots that are able to move exactly like animals, like live animals? They can run and jump and climb and do all that stuff. And, it's programmed to behave just like an animal. And what if we release that robot in, like, I'd say, a stadium? Like, something as big as a football stadium, or maybe twice that size. Except it's not flat, it's like a natural environment, you know? What if the stadium, like, parts of it were covered in jungle and stuff, like trees, huge trees, and there's a river or pond in the middle, and parts of it was like tall grass, and you released a robot in there that's programmed to act like an animal, and then you have people, you have the players of this sport who will be in a team, and they will hunt the robot down. Inside the robot is a compartment that has a fully seasoned, well cooked steak or other food, other meat or food or whatever. It could be anything. It could be snacks like chips, or it could be like full steak, or it could be chicken, or even vegetables or fruit. But, anyways, they release the robot in the stadium, and it will just run around in there and be like an animal. And the humans have to hunt this robot down. They can use um, they can use nets or any sort of fake weapons that will help them get the robot, and they must form a team and work together to get this robot, to sneak up on it and hunt it down. And the one who finally subdues the robot and presses the power button, effectively, quote unquote, killing it, they get the largest share of the meal. And the rest of the team gets food or whatever is in the robot as a prize, but the person who actually does the job and catches it will get the biggest share. Could you imagine that? That'd be awesome. And there'd be different types of, there'd be different sorts of games they could do. Like, they could program the robot to act like different animals. They could decorate the robot to look like the animals it's programmed to be. Like, you could program one to act like a deer or an antelope, and you could program one to act like a boar. You could program one to act like, maybe even act like a predatory animal. And with the humans, you can have teams of as little as 2 up to 5, or maybe even 10. And you could even change the stadium around. Like, you can have it all be tall grass, or have it all be forest, or have it just be a long stretch of barren land, or have it all be marshland. And you could have different robots, like you could have a swimming robot that the team has to fish for. You could have an ornithopter so that the team has to like get it out of the sky. That would be cool. Anyways, that's just an idea I wanted to share. I don't know what this sort of sport would be called. Robot hunt, or I don't know what. Just the sport where a team of people hunt a robot. Anyways, that's my cool idea. Bye.